Hey there, in this video, I will teach you how you can create an account in Deepseek AI. So right now I'm using an Android and this works on iOS as well. So on your Android, go to Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, iOS, go to App Store. Just open App Store, Play Store, and from the search for Deepseek, and then you will find this application. So right, I have already installed it. So if you have not installed it, then just install it. So after you have installed Deepseek AI, open Deepseek AI, and this is where we have to create an account. All right, so here we can use our phone number, but in this video I'm using Google Chrome. This is very easy, so just tap here and agree. So now you have to select your account. So let me just quickly select my account. So now we have to agree. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Now we can use DeepSeek AI. Write something. How are you? So yeah, this is how we do it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.